They say eyes never lie, and if you know what to look for, you can see someone's secret feelings in just one glance. But can you really trust those tiny moments? Let's find out. Fact number 1. The mirror gaze. Have you noticed someone matching your eye movements, blinking when you blink, or tilting their head in the same direction as you? This is called the mirror gaze, and it's a fascinating psychological clue. When someone likes you, their subconscious starts copying your actions and expressions, including how you look at them. It's not something they're planning. It just happens naturally when two people feel emotionally in sync. This kind of mirroring shows they're fully engaged and connected to you on a deeper level. If they start reflecting your movements without realizing it, it's a clear sign they're tuned into you and probably feeling a strong emotional pull. Think of it as an unspoken dance that only two people in perfect harmony can perform, even if neither of you realizes it's happening in the moment. Fact number 2. The look and smile combo. Have you ever locked eyes with someone and then immediately seen them smile right as your eyes meet? This timing isn't just a cute coincidence. It's a powerful psychological signal that shows they feel a real connection with you. When someone gives you the look and smile combo, they're saying without words, "I see you and I like what I see." This moment feels like a private, silent conversation only the two of you understand. Psychologists say this spontaneous combo shows a natural synchronization between your emotions and theirs, a spark that can't be forced or faked. When it happens, you might feel like time slows down for a second, creating a small shared world between you and that person. It's these little micro moments that often lead to bigger connections and deeper feelings down the road. Fact number 3. The eyes-only confession. Sometimes words fail us. We want to express our feelings, but we can't find the right words or we're too scared to say them out loud. That's when the eyes take over. There are moments when someone looks at you and their eyes seem to say everything they can't put into words: longing, affection, excitement, and sometimes even sadness. Psychologists refer to this as an eyes-only confession, and it's considered one of the most honest forms of communication. When someone's eyes lock onto yours and you feel an emotional wave hit you, that's them telling you their truth without making a sound. These moments can feel electric, almost like the whole world disappears and it's just the two of you communicating silently. If you ever find yourself on the receiving end of such a look, cherish it. You're witnessing a real, unguarded expression of their deepest emotions, something they might not even be able to say out loud to themselves. Fact number 4. The shy flicker. Imagine someone catching your eyes, smiling softly, and then immediately dropping their gaze. This quick drop is what many experts call the shy flicker. It's a powerful mix of interest and nervousness. They want to connect with you, but at the same time they're scared of revealing too much. This often happens when feelings are fresh or when someone hasn't fully admitted their attraction even to themselves. That fast flicker is them fighting the urge to keep looking because they're afraid of being too obvious. If someone does this around you, don't misread it as disinterest. It might actually mean they care more than they're willing to show, and they're struggling with that intense rush of emotions inside. Fact number 5. The double take. You lock eyes for a moment, they quickly look away, and then almost immediately glance back at you again. That's not random. It's what psychologists call the double take. The first look is pure instinct, almost like a spark they can't control. The second look is when curiosity and desire overpower hesitation. Even if they try to hide it, that second glance screams, "I need to see you again." It's one of the clearest signs that someone is drawn to you, even if they're too shy or nervous to say it out loud. If you catch this happening, you're witnessing their guard slip for a split second, showing you exactly what's on their mind without a single word spoken. Fact number 6. The genuine eye smile. You've probably seen fake smiles that don't reach the eyes. The lips move, but the eyes stay cold and empty. But when someone really likes you, their whole face lights up, and most importantly, their eyes join in. This is known in psychology as the Duchenne smile. It's a true sign of joy and affection. and it's almost impossible to fake. When someone smiles with their eyes, the corners crinkle naturally, and there's a warmth that feels almost contagious. You'll notice it before their mouth even starts to move, and it can completely transform how you feel in that moment. It's like their soul is smiling at you, not just their face. When you catch someone giving you this kind of eye smile, know that it's a rare and precious sign that they feel genuinely happy to see you. It's the kind of silent message that speaks much louder than words ever could. Fact number 7, the across the room. Picture yourself at a party or in a crowded coffee shop. Suddenly, you feel a strange sensation, like someone is staring at you. You turn around and find their eyes locked on you from across the room. That lingering, focused gaze isn't random. When someone is truly interested, their mind automatically filters out everything else in the environment and focuses only on you. Even when surrounded by noise and distractions, their brain picks you as the center of attention, and when you catch them and they quickly look away, that's not them trying to hide. It's vulnerability shining through. In that moment, they're completely exposed, and you've just witnessed a raw truth they probably didn't plan on showing. It's a strong signal that they think about you even when they try not to, proving that their feelings go deeper than a passing crush. Fact number 8, the silent gaze. During quiet moments, imagine sitting together without saying a word, just looking into each other's eyes. This kind of steady, unbroken eye contact during silent moments is extremely powerful. While it might feel intense or even intimidating, it's actually a sign of deep emotional trust and openness. When someone is comfortable enough to hold your gaze in silence, they're letting you see their true self without any shields. This type of eye contact builds intimacy on a level words can't reach. It's as if your souls are talking directly to each other without the need for any conversation. In these moments, you're both completely present, sharing a kind of emotional space that feels almost sacred. If someone does this with you, know that they're showing a vulnerability and depth of feeling that's incredibly rare and genuine. Fact number 9, the pupil reaction. When someone looks at you and their pupils suddenly grow larger, it's not just the lighting or some random coincidence. Dilated pupils are a natural and completely uncontrollable response to strong emotions like excitement and attraction. Basically, their brain is telling their eyes to take in more of you because they like what they see. This reaction happens so quickly that most people don't even realize it's happening. Next time someone's gaze feels a bit deeper or their eyes seem almost darker and more intense, pay close attention. Their pupils might be giving you a silent confession that their words never could. It's one of the most honest and revealing signals you can ever catch. Fact number 10, the lingering gaze. Most people make eye contact for about 2 or 3 seconds before looking away. But when someone likes you, they don't follow that rule. Instead, they hold your gaze longer, creating a kind of magnetic connection that feels hard to break. This longer than normal stare isn't just about confidence. It often shows a deep interest and a desire to feel close to you. Psychologists say prolonged eye contact can spark feelings of emotional intimacy and even create a sense of bonding similar to physical touch. So if you find someone locking eyes with you while the rest of the world seems to fade, don't rush to look away. You might be witnessing the start of something truly special. Now that you know these 10 fascinating ways eye contact can reveal someone's hidden feelings, you'll start to notice things you probably missed before. Eyes truly are the windows to the soul, and they can tell you more than any text or conversation ever could. Next time someone looks at you, pay close attention. You might just see a whole love story unfolding in a single glance.